We started Bamboo in 2003. We like to refer to bamboo as the poster child of renewable materials. Bamboo is a marvelous entry point into this whole eco movement. It's hugely versatile, has great value, easy to use, easy to work with, and it has numerous applications in the home. I've been living in Asia for the last 12 years, working in advertising and then transitioning to and starting Bamboo.
In developing the concept around bamboo, we wanted to create a case study or a business model by which we were turning people on to renewable materials, but we were doing it in a well-designed, functional, modern approach.
We specialize in housewares. Our focus is on the kitchen and tabletop areas. Anybody who cooks at home knows that they have their favorite utensils that they reach for most frequently. And bamboo is often that. It's a marvelous material for kitchen utensils. We use only organically grown bamboo.
All of our products are handmade and finished, so there's a lot of care and attention that goes into the product.
It's heat resistant, won't scratch your best surfaces, and will stand up to the test of time. Our most popular line is our all-occasion veneerware. We call it our answer to the paper plate. It's our disposable line, peeled directly from the culm, pressed into plates, trays, and utensils. You can toss the product into your compost and it will biodegrade in 4 to 6 months.
Our bamboo products are manufactured in China as well as Vietnam. For example, our lacquerware and our baskets are made in Vietnam.
We've provided loans to a number of our factory groups. We taught our worker groups new skills, and we provided a new economic stream for a whole new village. Bamboo demonstrates our commitment to social responsibility in a couple of ways. We're members of 1% for the Planet. A percentage of each and every sale goes to nonprofit environmental groups. We're also a part of the network of social responsible businesses certified by Co-op America. Our products are available throughout the U.S. at places like Whole Foods, Museum of Modern Art, and Crate and Barrel. Also online, we've created a bamboo boutique at bamboo.greenfeet.com.